Hi, welcome to the second part of the tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to build your own map using ROS packages. Similar to the last part, we'll start our ROS core on the robot through Secure Shell. Start up all the robot infrastructure. We will also need a keyboard driving node. Now we will initiate our SLAM package through launch file. We utilize the famous grid mapping package. Start the RVs on local machine and open the configuration preset. Now that we can see the first map generated, we can start driving around with keyboard. The SLAM package will automatically build the map and correct for odometry error. After we've gone through all the places, our map is built. Remember to save the map with map server. The last part of the command is your file name. This is the end of the mapping tutorial.